Hello, it's Felix speaking. I do come from Canary Islands, and I got to know Elithairtransplant online. I was reading about that. I was recognizing that I had a problem with my hairs, and I just kept the decision to do something about it, and nothing. While looking online, I found several clinics, and in between them, the one of Doctor Balwi sounds to me the most clean and the most correct, something we're used already in Europe. And nothing. I keep the first contact with them. I was texting through WhatsApp, was quite easy for me. I can do it anytime, and they solve all my questions. And after that, I just was reading something more listen about some opinions that you could find online, and nothing. I just keep the decision. I come over, I got my flights, and the guys were waiting here for me. It was quite good since the transfer, while getting to the last greetings, and was everything perfect. The first day maybe it has been a little bit painful, but about the rest, one day after you could feel really better, and that's all. Thank you very much, Hair Transplant.